will bring you to this page where you can review all the different layout properties that you learned in lesson 11 in code.org. Now remember, the layout properties were things like your borders, float, which makes, your picture go on one side of your text, width, height, margin, all those things that make our page look really nicely designed, as opposed to your text properties from lesson 10. So review these properties. If you want, you can click on this W3 Schools link if you want to just see what it is, how it works, what it means, all the different types of borders, anything you want. Okay, and then what I'd like you guys to do is then complete the notes for lesson 11. These can be found on Canvas under the Unit 2 module. And the first page is basically, you will find all these answers on that page I was just showing you in code.org. So right here, this is level 12, lesson 11. And then the other answers can be found on other code.org pages. So this number 2, you want to look back on, I believe, number 4, where it explains the body elements. And then in this example here, you're actually going to want to write an entire rule set. So selector, the curly brace, the rule, all that stuff. And you want to do it to make this border right here. So how would we write that out with these rules right here? So these are things you learned how to do back in levels 6, which talked about borders, and level 7, which talked about border radius, which is how you get that rounded look on your border.